What's going on, Trader Gang? It's your boy Nikki Pips. Just wanted to do a daily recap of my trades today. I initially was not going to trade at all today, but I ended up getting into a position pre-market before I had to head to work, and ended up taking a loss right off the bat and then another one after that. And I should have just been done right there because I broke my rule. I only have a 2 trade per day rule. I ended up breaking that, went on tilt. So I just want to share with you the trades that I took today and kind of what I went through. So don't judge me. So these are all the trades that I took. So I took a total of like 8 trades. I like literally went on tilt today. So first trade, of course, the bias has always been bullish for gold right now because bullish has just been making all-time highs all week, last 2 weeks. So this is on the 1 minute time frame. So I don't know if the 5 minute might look a little bit better. So I'll show you guys this on the 5 minute because it looks a little cleaner. So of course, you know, I got into a trade at the top of the movement, which of course I shouldn't have. I should have waited for a pullback because that's exactly what happened. So I did mark up my London high and low. So of course at 5:30, price had already pushed up heavy. I was just trying to, I guess, get a piece of the move because on the lower time frame here, the 1 minute, price was of course continuing to push up. So I'm just going to keep this on the 1 minute. So of course I was in profit at a certain point. We tapped into, of course, the London high, and then we ended up reversing off of that. So I took my first loss right here. I ended up getting back into a buy because of course we tapped into this new all-time high demand zone. Price pushed back up. I thought price was going to maybe pull back a little bit and then continue going up. It didn't do that. It literally continued to push down. Literally tapped into this previous supply zone and then demand. So, and then ended up started ranging. So I took a third trade right here, which again, I thought price was going to pull back because we had this push down and then price pulled back up and then just kept pulling up. So it basically tried to retest this previous high right here. So ended up ranging a little bit and then ended up just overall getting stopped out. So the next trade we took, we did capitalize off this, but of course price was pulling back heavy. So I think I got out like right here. So of course we got out in profit for a small profit of I think like $5. So we took that trade, and then we took a sell position here. So of course, again, price was super bearish. So I thought price was going to continue to possibly take out this demand zone at this previous all-time high at 39.56. It didn't do that. It ended up ripping back up. So ended up getting stopped out. Tried to go for a sell position here, which of course didn't make any sense. I was just revenge trading at this point. And then I took this last buy right here. Ended up getting margin called right about here, which my stop loss was down here. So I would have made back a little bit of profit because I could have got out right here. Or I could have let it run and I still would have been, you know, in profit. But we ended up taking all those trades. And, you know, this is just for full transparency. I just kind of went on tilt. So just to show you guys, the $100 account is now sitting at 31.14. So because I did take a small position on gold for a buy just not too long ago during opening Asian session. So I made a profit of like $5 back. And that's it. I'm done. So we're at 31.14 on the account. So we literally took a loss of $86. So $86.27. So this is the price that you pay for going on tilt, not following your rules. So I basically start back to square one as far as following my rules of only 2 trades per day. I have to really look at the trades that I'm taking and be patient. So if this helps any of you traders out there, this is kind of what happens when you don't follow your rules. You end up going on tilt and your charts look like this. So this is what not to do. So we'll come back tomorrow and we'll just try to build this account back up. So peace, y'all.